ওয়েল, আজকে শনিবার সকাল কিছুটা নিরুস্তেজ ছিল হিউস্টনে। সেই জন্য আমি আমার ছেলে চিন্তা করলাম যে গ্যালওয়েস্টনে একটু ঘুরে আসি, বারবিকিউ করব, বিচে এসে সময় কাটাবো এবং চমৎকার রৌদ্রোজ্জ্বল দিন সেটাকে উপভোগ করব। সেই জন্য চলে আসলাম। আজকে আমাদের নিত্য নৈমিত্তিক দিকে না গিয়ে we came here in a different side, and all of a sudden we find a gem. This is a private kind of beach. You can bring the car all the way to the beach, and there are a lot of people partying over here, having good time. So you bring our barbecue stuff, and we have few drinks. And right now the sun is setting, and it is just spectacular. I cannot believe that how good is the sun, how good is the wind. The temperature maybe 60 degrees, and the surf is good. The water is a little bit cold, but it's not bad. But we are having good time. You know what I mean? People are music. You can hear the music in the background. People are jamming. It's the tidal time. I think it's next 20 or half an hour. The water is gonna come all the way, so we need to get out of here. And our food is cooking. We are doing barbecue, so we're gonna eat and get the hell out of here. All right, I'm just gonna tell you how this beautiful day is going. You see in the background. Nice, beautiful sunny day. Nice beach. And this is like a gem, I told you. I never knew that there is such a nice place in here. I'm glad that I went down on the other side of the beach, which is very crowded and hard to park. But this is a perfect place for us to hang around today. We are having good time, we're jamming, we are barbecuing, we are having wonderful time over here. Take care, bye-bye.